this is Ankit Kumar Sharma. I want to explain the Dikshitra algorithm, which is used for shortest path algorithm, in which we have to find the shortest and minimum path from source node to destination node. Here is the Dikshitra algorithm, in which the three part. The first part is initialization part, and the second part is the relaxed recursive part, and third part is the main Dikshitra algorithm part, which is used to relax algorithm. We have to implement the relax algorithm here, and the here is the directed graph path, in which b1, b2, b3 and b4 four nodes are here. We have to write firstly all the node b1, b2, b3, b4, and distance is infinity. Firstly parent is 0, 0 and 0, and the status make it temporary, temporary, temporary and temporary. We have to make a source node in which we have to write all the nodes. Firstly we have to write v1 node, make it permanent, because v1 node is working act as a permanent parent node. So the adjacent of b1 is b2 and b3, and check for b2 adjacent. db2 is greater than du plus wuv. We have to apply relax algorithm here. Firstly the v2 distance is infinity. Infinity is greater than 0 plus 2 with infinity is greater than 2, condition true. So the parent of v2 is v1. Now check for v3. dv3 is greater than du plus wub, that is v3 distance is firstly infinity is greater than 0 plus 3, that is infinity greater than 3, condition true. So the parent of b3 is b1. Among these two nodes b2 and b3, the least distance is b2, so the distance of v2 is 2 and v3 is 3. Parent of v2 make it permanent, so here make it the v2 distance and make it permanent. So for the v2 is current working node, so we have to find the adjacent of v2. The adjacent of v2 is v3 and v4. Check all these nodes. dv3 is greater than du plus dv, that is 3 is greater than 2 plus 3, 3 is greater than 5, that is false, so don't take it. Now the next is d4 node. So dv4 is greater than du plus wuv, that is infinity is greater than 2 plus 5, infinity is greater than 7, condition true. So the parent of v4 is v2. Now the only one option v4 node, so v4 node right here, v4 node make it permanent. The distance of v4 node is 7 and make it permanent. Now the finally figure is v1 to traversing v4 and traversing v4 node. The distance of v1 and v2 is find from algorithm is 2, and v2 and v4 find from algorithm is 5. So the total distance 2 plus 5 equal to 7. This is the Dikshitra.